So you have decided to create a Google account, and I can only say congratulations to you, but that's because that is a great step and you're going to love its features. But before you create a Google account, what are some of the things that you need to understand? I believe there are two things, main things that you need to know before you create an account. Number one is what you need to create this type of an account, and number two is how you can use this account or what you get from it. If we start with the first one, what do you need to create a Google account? It's two simple things that I think you need to provide. The first is you need to decide the kind of name that you're going to use for your Google account, and this could be anything depending on what you want to do. If it's a business, you're going to create that business name. If it's an individual account, you can use your own name, or you can just formulate a simple name to use with your account. So first is the name of the Google account. The second thing is you need to look for a strong password, because hacking cases have been very rampant, and you don't want to create an account that will be hacked into, and you find yourself with in a case where somebody can send emails through your account to other people, and this could lead to Google maybe banning you, and maybe some other people unsubscribing from your list if, let's say, you've created a subscription list. If you want to learn more about some of the most possible causes of hacking, I will leave a link in the description below with a video that describes some of the most important things you need to note if you want to stay away from hacking, or you want to stay safe from hacking. The second thing that we want to talk about is what you get when you create a Google account. Now, a Google account gives you access to multiple very important content creation features and maybe content sharing. The Google account, you can create text documents, you can create spreadsheets, you can create videos and a lot other things, and share it with your friends, maybe in social groups or in your business. So how do you create this thing? Google has a categories, maybe different categories of applications that you can explore and use to create your content. The first application is Google Docs. In Google Docs, you can create text documents, you can write articles, you can maybe create letters, you can just store all forms of text documents that you can use later when you need them. One important thing about Google Docs is that when you're typing or when you're creating your content, it gets automatically saved. It means when you lose power, you don't have to worry about losing your content. On the downside, you can use it only when you have an internet connection for you to be able to explore the autosave functionality. Now, the second application in Google that will help you create your content is Google Sheets. With Google Sheets, you can create your planned documents, maybe create your worksheets like in a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. So basically it is a spreadsheet application that allows you to create content that will help you maybe organize your business, or maybe organize your expenses, your schedules and such things. The last main and commonly used application that you get when you create a Google account is YouTube. Now, you've watched tons of videos on YouTube, but at some point you also think, okay, I need to create my own YouTube channel. This is accessible once you've created a Google account. With YouTube, you can use one Google account to create up to 50 YouTube channels. It means if you want to maybe dive in different niches or different categories of videos, you don't want to get your videos mixed up, then you are good to go. You can just create one Google account and then choose names for your YouTube channels, and you create it and create your content. Now we will create another video on how to create a YouTube channel. In that video, we will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube channel so that you can get started with your idea and present your videos to your audience out there. So if you want to get that, or maybe just watch that, stay tuned by hitting the subscribe button below and turning on the notification so that you get notified whenever that video is ready. There are more other Google features. Sometimes you have features like Google Meet, Google Calendars and all that. But once you have created a Google account, you can explore all these and see just how easier your tasks are in terms of organizing and creating your content, and even sharing it with your audience in social platforms and any other place that you'd like to share it.